Hello everyone, now I would like to show you a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Look at the pictures and repeat the sentences under them with me. The old gentleman walked slowly. Sita sang sweetly. The horse ran fast. The children played happily. Did you notice? All the highlighted words slowly, sweetly, fast, happily show how the action is done. For example, walked slowly, sang sweetly, etc. They also add something to the meaning of the verbs walked, sang, ran and played. The adverbs which show the manner in which some action is done are called adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the question how. Now look at these sentences. Harry came yesterday. He will come soon. He comes home late. I shall write a letter to her tomorrow. All the adverbs yesterday, soon, late and tomorrow show when an action is done. They also add something to the meaning of verbs came, will come, comes and shall write. Learn. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. They answer the question when. Now read some more sentences. We looked up. The sky is above. He lives here. My mother is going upstairs. Important. The adverbs in these sentences up, above, here and upstairs show where the action is done. They also add something to the meaning of the verbs looked, is, lives and is going. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. They answer the question where. There is one more kind of adverb for you to learn. Look at the pictures and read carefully the sentences under them. Notice the words written in bold. They are all adverbs. They tell you something more about the action words, the verbs. The flower is very beautiful. The mangoes are almost ripe. She speaks rather slowly. The master treated the servant most cruelly. Learn and remember. The adverbs very, almost, rather and most show in what degree or what extent an action is done. They are called adverbs of degree.
Fill in the blanks with adverbs of manner. Choose from box. The sick old man walked slowly. The children played dash. Noisily. The girls talked dash softly. You must always behave dash properly. The thief slipped away dash quietly. Pick and drop adverbs of time in the sentence into the box. DP comes to school late. His father has been recently transferred to another branch. Recently. We reached here yesterday. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Do you homework today?
The pronouns. Kinds of pronouns. You know by now that words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Let us quickly look at these examples. Tom is a good boy. He works hard. Mary is a good girl. She goes to school daily. I have a book. There are pictures in it. Look at the children. They are playing the park. What did you notice? The words he, she, I, it, they are used instead of names or nouns Tom, Mary, I, book and children. They are all called personal pronouns. We will now learn more about kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns. I go to school daily. Sohan gave me a pencil. We are in the same class. The teacher likes us. The pronouns I, we, me, us stand for or refer to the person speaking. They are therefore said to be pronouns of the first person. Read the sentences. You are a good boy. I told you not to come late. Where were you yesterday? The pronouns you in the sentences refer to the person spoken to. They are therefore said to be pronouns of the second person. Here are some more sentences to study. He is a brave boy. Tell him not to go there. She can sing well. Tell her to sing a song. They are good boys. Tell them to work hard. Here is a book. It has pictures in it. The pronouns he, him, she, her, they, them, it refer to the person or things spoken of. They are therefore said to be pronouns of the third person. So what have you learnt? The personal pronoun has three forms: first person, second person, and third person. Demonstrative pronouns. Look at these words: this, that, these, those. Learn how we use them as pronouns. This is a book. That is a balloon. These are books. Those are shoes. This and that are used for one person, place, or a thing. These and those are used for more than one person, place, or thing. All the four words point out the object or objects to which they refer. They are therefore called demonstrative pronouns. Note: this and these point to something near. That and those to something at a distance. Look at the pictures again and you will understand. Remember, these 4 words can become adjectives if they are placed before a noun. Examples: this book has many pictures. This is demonstrative adjective as it points to the noun book. That pen is black. Here, that is pointing to the noun pen. It is a demonstrative adjective. Reflexive pronouns. Read carefully the sentences. I have hurt myself. You have hurt yourself. He has hurt himself. She has hurt herself. The horse has hurt itself. We have hurt ourselves. You have hurt yourselves, boys. They have hurt themselves. There is something special about these sentences. The doer of the action, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, is also the receiver of the action. That is, the object denotes the same person or thing as the subject. The pronouns myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, when used as an object of a verb, are called reflexive pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. When pronouns are used for asking questions, they are called interrogative pronouns. Which words or pronouns are used for asking questions? Read these sentences aloud after me. Who is there? Who are you? Whom do you like? Whom do you want? Which is your house? Whose is this book? What do you want? What is the matter? Instead of naming words, who, whom, which, whose and what are used for asking questions. They are therefore called interrogative pronouns. Remember, if we put all these words before a noun, they will become interrogative adjectives. Examples: which book is yours? What games do you play? Whose pen is this?
Click DA for demonstrative adjectives and DP for demonstrative pronouns in this sentence. These garments are for sale. Demonstrative pronoun. These are children's garments. Demonstrative adjective. This is my bag. Demonstrative pronoun. This bag is mine. Demonstrative adjective. This is an old monument. Demonstrative adjective. Fill in with reflexive pronouns. Don't jump, you will hurt yourself. Though injured, she cooked her food dash herself. I wash my clothes dash myself. Do not depend on others. Do your work dash yourself. The dog has a dash itself. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.